Yeah, hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Previously I have explained few questions about the Revit. Then we are going to start the practical BIM questions. Then how to resolve those things and what are the things we have to follow and all. I have mentioned the first question here, roof modeling questions for the beginners kind of this. So we'll try to identify in this particular question we have to model the roofs, correct? So these are the roofs we have to model and how it will look like and all. So first we will try the first thing. So we'll try to identify what kind of the roof it is. See, like these are the lines. What I have understand is like this is kind of the slope here. Here also it is a slope and here also it is a slope. So like this side also having a slope, and the same thing this side also it will have the slope, correct? So this is the thing we have to understand when it comes to the roof. When the roof have the middle, these particular center line, so we'll assume that roofs having the two different slopes. So how we can model? See, we'll try to get the roof modeling. Here is the option called roof, then roof by footprint. Then here they clearly mentioned that we have to follow this particular line, right? So I will go with the pick lines, right? So here these indicate as a slope, so I will turn off these things. So we don't want any slope here. We need a slope from this side and this side. The slope has been already given. Then enter. See this. See, I will okay. So where is the roof? This is the roof. Okay, I will copy from this one to this one. See, in the 2D line, they clearly mentioned as a roof here. So we have modeled the same roof here. See this. Correct? In the 3D, it will show like this. So, see. So I hope it's clear. If you get this kind of the question, you have to follow the roof modeling like this only. Okay. So here they are not mentioned any kind of the thickness, anything. Then what of the kind of the slopes and all not mentioned here. So we have just modeled the roofs here. Okay. Then this is done. So I will try to delete. I will try to add this one. Okay. So here we have to model a roof. How we can model? Same thing. Roof by footprint. I will go with any levels here. Then I will go with the rectangular command. Before that, I will turn off the slopes here because it's a flat roof. This one. Okay. See, this is the roof. Correct. See this. This one is the flat roof here. The same thing they are given in the lines. The same that I have modeled. Okay. So this is two is little bit easy. Now here we'll identify how we can model these kind of the roofs. What I understand is here this is the roof. Then I'm assuming this is the flat. Okay, this portion is a flat. Then this portion is a sloped one. Okay, so this is exactly how it will look like. Then the same thing. I will use the roof option levels. I will go with level 0. Any level here they are not mentioned like how to model the roof, which level we have to select and all. I will create a levels here. So first of all I will try to draw this. Then I will give a define slope here for these particular things. Then enter. Okay, when you go to the 3D, see this one having a roof. Okay, then I will copy this one to here. Here it's a 2D line. You can see the same line is appeared here as a roof and as a slope here. Then we need this one, correct? So what I do is I will create a similar by selecting 0. Then see, either I can do like this and I will give the cut option. Otherwise, I have to draw like this. But when you try to draw these options here, it will option like it is overlap or something like that. For that, you can do like this, or by trim. Okay, up to here you can do like this. You can do, but this is the not a right option. So I will show you. Copy using this option. Okay, in 3D. See, you can see, correct? Or else you can do one thing. I will delete this one. Okay, create similar, level 0, done. Then what you want? This one, this one, this one. Okay, then trim. Okay, copy. See this. I have drawn the half, then the rest half I have done. See this. This also it will work. Then the last one is, let me delete this one. Yeah, these two things you can work and you can draw the roofs as per the lines given in the modeling test. See here, the complete line is matching with the roof. So otherwise you can draw one more thing here. Exactly how I can say is create similar. Okay, then here's option called this one. Then edit. Okay, then architecture. Here's option called shaft openings. 3D. See this. See this one. I will copy from this too. See this. Or see, this is the right one what I did. But the thing is, like, when you use this option, it should be at least like this. See, for this option, the this one will not work because the I have used the shaft opening, so it will not work basically. So these two options you can try easily, correct? So the same thing has been here also, it has been shown. Then the last one is, I will try to delete this one. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. Okay, then the last one is here. See, they mentioned a slope 12 feet, at 12.50 degree. Okay, then how we can draw? So I am assuming here it's a slope. Okay, towards this side. Then the same thing here. You have to go roofs. Then level one, whatever it may be. Then I have drawn the roofs. Then how we can provide a slope? Can I select and give the define slope here? Does it possible? Uh, is it possible? Let me try. Okay, we'll see how exactly it looks. See, the same thing it can be shown here. When you go to the sections, cut the section, whether the slope has been given correct or not, see this, then di dimension, then here's the option called s- see this, uh see 12.50, correct, what I have mentioned here, 12.50 on which side, this side, okay, the same thing, see this, this is the right way that we are providing the slope properly, correct. So these are the questions we'll ask in the interview. These are some basic questions. Okay, I'm not showing all the things here. I'm just following the basic things. I have modeled four different types of the roofs in this particular thing. Then I request you to try more things on that. Then we will see what are the next questions we'll ask in the interview, and also we'll try to focus on those things as well. So thanks for watching. Thank you for the support as well. I will try to cover more things on the next video. Thank you so much, guys.